Upcoming PCNA Datacenter hardware replacement. Greetings everyone, I'm very happy to be able to give you a progress update on our Datacenter hardware refresh. We've talked about this a few times in the past, but to remind everyone what this is, here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. In most cases, we are still running on 2012-era server hardware and it needs to be updated before components start failing more than they are. So, we are literally swapping out, refreshing, all hardware in our 2 data centers. 2. This will not result in any appreciable performance gain in-game, but it will result in a more reliable service overall that needs fewer unplanned maintenances. 3. This was originally planned for last year, but the pandemic pushed back the timelines as it has become difficult to acquire new hardware because of global shortages. It's worth noting we installed and transitioned all the hardware for the PTS a few weeks ago, before the U34 PTS update, and we're happy to report it has been working very smoothly. This was our major test case to ensure that everything would work as expected. Our next step is to refresh the rest of the PC North American data center, which will happen during the maintenance scheduled for May 3rd. Afterwards, everyone on PCNA should see a more reliable service experience with less unexpected maintenance downtimes. We will be performing the PCEU and console data center hardware refresh as soon as we can, but as timelines for ordering, sourcing server hardware is still incredibly long. We don't have a firm date for those yet. As soon as we have any additional information to pass along to all of you, we will do so. As always, thank you so much for being a member of such a bright and vibrant fantasy virtual world.